طبعا رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من lisani yafqahu qawli. As follow up on our clinics, tuko na bwana Sheikh Hamza hapa, ni mchezaji striker moja maarufu. Leo ni third day treatment yake, alikuwa kuna muscle stiffness ya mguu wa kulia, but now he's doing well, alhamdulillah. Today is the third treatment during the clinic. Now there is a progress, he's been doing exercise and all that kind of stuff. If we'll give percentage to 50%, means he can run, he can do normal exercise kama kawaida, no pain, nothing. But the best, we'll hear from himself what he will say, the recommendation. Sheikh Hamza, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
How are you doing, my brother?
Alhamdulillah, well, after the treatment, I can feel better,
No.
50%.
Alhamdulillah.
I think inshallah, before some days, I will be 500%, inshallah.
So
From the first day until today,
No.
there is a big difference.
Huge
There
difference,
is
mashallah.
a very, very big difference.
Mashallah.
So
mashallah.
just keep continuing. I think inshallah I'll be 100% well.
Inshallah.
Yeah.
I wish you all the best. You have a huge game on Thursday, right?
Yeah.
I wish you all the best.
Kenya Police. that's
Kenya
the
Police.
top game. Yeah. So I think before the game, inshallah, will be well.
And inshallah we'll be there to support you, inshallah, to
Yeah,
see how you will be doing. I need 2 goals there, inshallah.
Inshallah.
Karibu sana, adhiki afya, siha, salama. Then what do you recommend to other strikers and footballers and
Not only
sportsmen?
strikers, not only footballers,
Yep.
sport people that they practice.
Okay.
So a jam always, like we say, it's the best treatment.
Yeah.
So you just trust the process. When you get the chance to do it, you feel your body different.
Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. Thank you very much, sir. Be blessed. Wish you a quick recovery.
I
inshallah.
should